In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Export As option not working in Photoshop. So there's actually a few different ways you can fix this. The most common is by coming over to Edit in the top navigation, scroll down to Preferences, and then select Plugins. Now underneath Legacy Extensions, you'll have this option to check Load Extension Panels. You need to make sure this has a tick in it like so. And once this option here has a tick in it like so, you'll then need to save your changes by pressing OK. And then you'll need to restart your Photoshop application, and then you can try launching it back up, and that should have fixed the exporting issue. Now, if that doesn't work, what you'll need to do instead is come back over to Edit at the top, come all the way down to Preferences, and from here, click on General. So what we're going to do now is select this button that says Reset Preferences on Quit. Go ahead and click on OK, and then once again, close down the Photoshop application. Then go ahead and launch it back up. And once again, you can check to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now, the final thing you can do if it's still not working is come back over to Edit at the top, scroll all the way down until you see Preferences and select this, and once again, click on Plugins. Now, what we're going to do is uncheck this option for Allow Extensions to Connect to the Internet. Then click on the Export tab from the left, and down in this option section, you want to select Use Legacy Export As, and then just press OK to save these changes. And once again, you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next